I just found a trading strategy that gives insane results on Bitcoin. In some time frames, the win rate gets as high as 92%, which is something I've never seen before. This strategy finds optimal trade entries, it takes into account market volume, overbought and oversold conditions, and more. I coded it using ChatGPT 4 and called it ChatGPT Algo Pro for Bitcoin. I made the script private so no one else can see it but me. However, I will share its link once this video gets 1k likes. So drop that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also guys, make sure you watch the video all the way till the end because I'm going to show you exactly how I built this strategy and what entry conditions I used. Alright, without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. Okay, we're currently looking at the price of Bitcoin on the 1 minute time frame. Let's build our strategy step by step. So first click on the indicators tab and search for 3 indicators. The SSL channel, the moving average exponential, and the ATR. Now open the settings of the EMA and change the length to 100. Alright, now let me quickly explain how these indicators work. So the SSL channel is a very simple 2-line cross trend following indicator. The indicator issues a signal to buy when the green plot crosses the red plot to the upside. The opposite is true for a sell signal. So when the red plot crosses the green plot to the upside, this is a signal to sell. The SSL channel is going to be the first confirmation indicator in our strategy. This means that if the rest of the conditions are not met at the time the cross happens, this signal becomes invalid. The second indicator we have on our chart is the exponential moving average. This tool is often used for trend confirmations and for finding support and resistance in price. In most cases, traders buy when the price is above the EMA and sell when the price is below the EMA. This way they make sure that they go with the prevailing sentiment. Other traders may use EMA for finding support and resistance. This approach is also very popular. In our strategy, we're going to use the EMA as a magnet. You see, when the price overextends and moves far away from the moving average, this often signals overbought or oversold market conditions, which causes a price decline to the moving average. This approach means that we should do the exact opposite of what everyone else is doing. Based on this, the strategy will go long when the SSL channel gives a bullish signal and the price is below the EMA, and will go short when the SSL channel gives a sell signal and the price is above the EMA. So now once we've determined our conditions, let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT to code this strategy for us. First, ask it to create a trading strategy in PyScript using 100 EMA and SSL channel. The next step is to outline the rules for entering long and short trades. So as we already know, for a long trade, the price needs to be closed below the 100 EMA. The second condition is to have a bullish cross on the SSL channel. A bullish cross happens when a green plot crosses above the red plot. In the settings of the SSL channel, we can see that these plots do not have specific names. So in order to find the names of these plots, we need to open the source code. So right at the bottom of the script, we can see that SSL down is the name of the line that is red color, and SSL up is the name of the line that is lime color. Once we know the names of these plots, we can describe a bullish cross. Let's also outline the rules for taking short positions. Finally, let's describe our money management rules. For this strategy, we will use a simple 1:2 risk-reward ratio. The distance between the entry price and the stop loss will be set at 2 values of the ATR. For take profit, we will use 4 ATR values. Lastly, copy the source code of the SSL channel indicator and paste it into your message. This is very important because ChatGPT doesn't quite know what SSL channel indicator is. Now simply copy this code given by ChatGPT and paste it into PyEditor. If there are any errors that occur, simply copy the message and paste it into ChatGPT. Apparently ChatGPT missed specifying the variable type, so let's address this issue and hopefully it will fix it. Okay, we finally got a new script. Let's paste it into Python editor and see if it works. Okay, looks like we have another error, but this one is very easy to fix. You see, sometimes ChatGPT marks a strategy as a study. In order to fix this issue, simply change the word study to a strategy. Alright, so we added the strategy to the chart, and here are the backtesting results. We can see that even with these two simple rules in place, the strategy gets 49% win rate. This is definitely really promising, however, we can still improve it. So in order to get rid of all these fake signals, we will use a volume filter. This indicator is called heat map volume. Volume is very important because it shows how active the market participants are. If we access the heat map volume settings, we can see that the medium and high volumes are highlighted in yellow and orange. Our goal is to eliminate any signals that occur when the volume is extra high, low or normal. If at the time of the entry the bar is yellow or orange, we're good to go. So in order to implement this condition into our strategy, we need to first open the heat map volume source code and copy the calculations of the indicator. Now ask ChatGPT to add a volume filter to our strategy. Now, once we've added the strategy to the chart, we can go to the settings and change some parameters. And there we go, we just built our strategy. So on the 1 minute chart, the strategy's win ratio is 77.78%. 36 total trades were found. On a 3 minute chart, the strategy has a 75% win rate, which is also really high for such risk-reward ratio. Also pretty good results on the 5 minute chart. As you can see, it works super well on lower time frames on Bitcoin. However, I would not recommend using the strategy on time frames between 1 hour to 4 hours. You can still use it on a daily chart. I think it works perfectly fine. If you're not happy with the results, you can adjust the settings and find the ones that work for you. For example, let's change the volume MA length to 800. Right away, we can see that the win ratio has improved to 89% on the 5 minute time frame. On a 3 minute chart, the win ratio is now 100%, which is absolutely insane. Alright, so once again, I published the strategy privately. As soon as this video gets 1000 likes, I will leave a link to it in the comments down below. All you need to do is to add it to your favorites and then you'll be able to use it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.